Office.
Oo.
Ito lang. Yan.
Kailangan ito mas maganda talaga, malapad, no?
Wow! What is that?
Mom, can you help me tie your shoes?
Pa, itay mo na nga muna para hindi na siya nakakarap.
Can you help?
Yes. Now, welcome to the part of the Itik
Talong,
farm.
malaki,
Yung sa Itik, ganito naman sila. Mga common duck. Yan. Mga
Adja.
Gary.
Oh, what is it? What is the color of the duck?
What's the color of the duck?
Andy, what is the color of the duck? What is the color of the duck?
Dakot sa duck.
Here?
That's a duck.
Yes. What is the color of the duck? Black. So the color black ones, sila po yung mga common itik na ginagamit for balot and memory dito sa DCC. Ang total packs nila is 50. So everyday naman nakakapag-harvest po tayo ng 200, di ba, 200, 30 packs na eggs per day.
Wow, ang dami niyong eggs.
Yes po. So hindi na po kami bibili outside. O, puntahan natin itong chicken po. Ayan.
Papa, sabi ko sa'yo, pwede tayo maganda sa bayan chicken.
Wow.
Bili na ito.
Where's the chicken? Wow. Say hi to the chicken farm.
Hi.
Wow.
What is that? A chicken farm or the Lopan brown chicken from Germany. By the way, ito po yung German chicken ng GCC and then the total. Be careful. Yes. Sir, before saan pa kayo malala? Baguio? Ano pa? Careful!
Yes. It's like Mimo and Dory.
Yeah.
At the bago na siya. Okay? Enjoy po. Picture sila. Ayan.
Don't touch the glass.
Don't touch.
Gawa ko na
It's Dad. It's like in a Papa's fish.
Yeah.
It's like Papa's fish.
Ay, naman.
What do you see here? Oh, say hi to the goldfish. The Indian fish and the tilapia.
Wala tilapia.
pink, kulay pink.
Ang galing ng orange, no?
Sweet. Así. Yeah, so what do you want to see here? In the fish? Oh, what fish?
What fish daw yan?
Yes. What do you want?
Goldfish.
The goldfish. Yes. What is this snake, ah?
Ate,
Answer mo na kayo here. What is your name? Bibi, what is your name?
What's your name daw?
Abby?
Mom,
And Abby, yes.
is this name Marin and Mimo and Doran?
Yes.
It's like Finding Nemo and Dory.
What do you want? May goldfish?
Mas mangingitlog siguro yun.
Matagal na ba to?
2023 po. So, next po, move to here.
Annie, bye! Goodbye.
Careful, careful, careful.
Iguanas, the crescent geckos, and the leopard geckos.
The snakes,
The snake.
Yes.
Yes. Say hi to the iguana.
Hi.
Yes.
Uy, kamukha ni Phil. Ay, hindi.
Is that yep?
Zach, I'll take a picture of you.
Adi, say hi to the iguana. Adi, say hi.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Adi,
Sit down, sit down.
say hi to iguana. Gazella. Yes. The name of the iguana is Gazella. So, meron din kaming snake po. Na si Mako here. And si Chocolate and Mako.
Yes.
Yes.
This is Godzilla.
There, Auntie. There.
Yung lumabas eh. Yung puti.
Auntie, come here.
Dating ganyan saan ba? Yan ba yun? Yung camera mo.
Is that lizard?
That's a nyet.
Baka pwede naman
Neat.
tayo magpa-picture eh.
Okay.
It's like
Pwede magpa-picture. Pwede magpa-picture. Yes.
Eh, ito ko.
Wow, Adam ahead of the sun. Wala na tayo right part. May kasama kami, wala bang nakita? Nakalagay pa. Wala pa sila.
To create a haven for both animals, plants, and trees. In a terrarium, simple twist.
Okay, mag-burn up park muna sila.
Nag-Burnham muna sila.
Ay, hindi isa.
Mines View?
Hindi Mines View.
Ano yung may kabayo? Ano yung may kabayo?
Right park.
Right part.
Right park.
Mom, look, they're taking a video.
Hi! Hi guys! Welcome to Zach's Vlog.